Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get medium wavy hair. Start with towel-dried hair and apply a lightweight curl cream from roots to ends. Use a wide-tooth comb to distribute product evenly and detangle gently. Scrunch hair upwards to encourage wave formation, then diffuse with low heat or air dry for natural texture. Finish with a sea salt spray for hold and light shine while avoiding heavy oils that weigh waves down. Begin with a gentle sulfate-free shampoo and a hydrating conditioner to preserve natural wave pattern. Towel dry and lightly detangle with a wide-tooth comb. Apply a leave-in conditioner and a heat protectant before styling. Use a mousse or curl cream if you want more definition, focusing on mid-lengths and ends. For extra volume, flip hair upside down while diffusing on low heat. Finish with a light mist of hairspray for hold. Divide hair into loose sections and twist each section away from the face for consistent wave direction. Use a 1-inch curling iron on random mid-lengths and ends, alternating directions to mimic natural waves. For heatless results, braid damp hair into 1 or 2 loose braids overnight, then unravel gently in the morning. Always cool styled sections before touching to set waves. Separate waves with fingers and use a light serum to tame frizz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.